Hi everyone! I'm so excited to share to you guys my official tutorial of Netflix series Money Heist. After our base coat becomes dry, let's start with our pinky. This is inspired by Origami made by Professor. After painting white nail polish on your finger, let's paint the Dali mask. The iconic Dali mask is actually a tribute to the famous Spanish painter Salvador Dali. The Money Heist or La Casa de Papel has over 44 million viewers all over the globe. They won multiple awards. In 2017, the series won Audience Award Best Spanish Series at Fotogramas de Plata. In 2018, they won Best Drama Series at Emmy Awards, Best Drama TV Series at Golden Meat, Audience Choice Award and Jury Spanish Series Award both at Festival de Lechon. In 2019, Money Heist won the Best Fiction at Primos Peris, which all of these are so amazing awards. I can say that this is truly recommended, especially to those people who like or love to watch action movies or action series. There are countless reasons why to watch this TV series, and these are my 5 reasons to watch it. Number 1. The series will get you hooked. You can finish the entire series just like watching a K-drama. Number 2. The story, the location, and cinematography is above what you expected. Number 3. Famous actors and actresses like Alden Richards and Lovie Poe are watching this, and the rest of the over 44 million viewers. So what are you waiting for? Wait! Finish my video first and hit that like button. Next is El Profesor. This nerdy, handsome guy seems to be a boring, mumbling, loser professor. Unexpectedly, he is actually the master of the heist. This unexpected leader of such a cool show that makes Money Heist so interesting, and it's the professor's dedication to precision that makes his heist so unbelievable. My number 4 reason to watch this is if you are polishing your Spanish vocabulary. Watching Money Heist will help you in this area. And if you want to enhance the power of your brain, learning a new language is one of the best things to improve it. Number 5. The plot twist of this series is so deep. And my bonus reason to watch this is in Season 4, they have Manila as the newest character, named after the capital city of the Philippines. Hello to all Money Heist Philippine-based fans. Thanks to ECQ, you can binge watch from Season 1 to Season 4 in Netflix. And we are finished off with the origami made by Professor for our thumb and for our index finger. I hope you like my nail art tutorial, and if you have any suggestion and comments, please free to share it to me. And thank you for OMG. Ciao!